Hi everyone, my name is Marcel. Last time we had a look on this revolutionary gimbal Zhiyun Crane 3S, and today I'm going to help you with your decision on which of the 3 packages you should buy. Alright, let's take a look. So the first package is called Zhiyun Crane 3SE. This is the most affordable one. If you don't need the smart sling handle and basic gimbal functions are all you need, then this is the one. The good thing is it can carry the same payload just like the other 2 packages, so you can later also upgrade with the extension arm and put on heavier cameras. Second package is called Zhiyun Crane 3S. Choose this one if you need the smart sling handle. With it you can have immediate access to the menu and a LED screen showing you modes and other camera parameters. Especially in front of a client, you don't want to wait for your phone to connect to the gimbal just to change some settings. If you do use manual lenses like cine lenses though, you need to buy the focus and zoom modules separately, or go directly for the next package. Third package is called Zhiyun Crane 3S Pro. This package is a more complete one that includes focus and zoom modules and image transmission. With those you can now control the focus and zoom of your manual lenses, and also use sync motion to remote operate your camera via your phone. No matter what, all items like handle and focus modules can be bought separately on the official Zhiyun store, making sure that every customer has also the ability to make their very own individual package. Okay, now you know which package you can choose. Besides that, I think it's very good and important to also go to Zhiyun website to check out the compatibility list to see if your camera suits well with this gimbal.